Hello, New York. Brian and I, we're gonna be at One World Observator in the next few minutes. We're gonna show you guys where it's gonna be at in the 100th floor. I think it have more than 80 floors. So it's gonna be marvelous. We are at downtown Brooklyn right now. Very far away from the center of the city, but looks great over here. And also, we are gonna see the golden hour. The golden hour is gonna be amazing, guys. So this intro, it's gonna be so great. Also, we can see the Statue of Liberty up there. So it's very cold today. You don't imagine. That's the reason why we obtained to choose One World Observator, because it's inside, it's not outdoor. So let's go ahead. Ryan, we have something to say.
This is going to be crazy.
Absolutely. And yeah. Guys, wait until the end of the video to see inside the Oculus. Basically, we are watching the Oculus from outside right now. We are in front of Westfield World Trade Center area. So basically, the people know this place as Oculus, but it's the shopping mall at the World Trade Center complex in Manhattan, New York. Here is operated and managed by Nibel Rodamco Westfield. It's a corporation who owns and manages this complex. Anyway, this mall was opened on August 16 of 2016 and is one of the largest shopping complexes in Manhattan, with 125 retail places inside, and also replaced the mall at the World Trade Center that was underground, was a shopping mall under the original World Trade Center, which was destroyed on September the 11th of 2001. Remember, guys, this is the mall at the World Trade Center right now. It was an indoor underground shopping mall before this one, and that was located in the concourse area of the original World Trade Center complex, which was destroyed on September the 11th, guys. So all the mall was located underneath 4 and 5 World Trade Center, as well as under the Austin J. Tobin Plaza, completed in 1975 as well. Right now we are watching one of the largest mall here in the city. Has more than 365,000 square feet and more than 33,900 square meters of retail spaces inside. And also, like the predecessor, is the largest shopping mall in the city. A little bit of history of One World Trade Center, also known as a One World Trade and also One WTC, and formerly known the Freedom Tower. Still sometimes used colloquial here in New York, but anyway, is the main building of the rebuilt World Trade Center complex in Lower Manhattan, New York City, designed by David Childs of Skidmore and Owings Merrill. This is the construction company who built this building. And also, One World Trade Center is the tallest building in the United States, the tallest building in the Western Hemisphere, and also the 7th tallest in the world. Is the number 1 in the New York City and also the United States, and also number 7 around worldwide most tallest building ever. So anyway, the supertall structure has the same name as the North Tower of the original World Trade Center, which was destroyed in the terrorist attack of September 11 of 2001. The new skyscraper stands on the northwest corner of the 16 acres, 6.5 in the World Trade Center site. On the side of the original 6 World Trade Center is bounded by West Street to the west, Vesey Street to the north, Fulton Street to the south, and Washington Street to the east. The construction of below-ground utility relocation, footings, and foundation for the new building began on April the 27th of 2006. One World Trade Center became the tallest structure in New York City April the 30th of 2012 when it surpassed the height of the Empire State Building. The tower's steel structure was topped out on August the 30th of 2012 and also on May the 10th of 2013. The final component of the skyscraper spire was installed and made the building, including its spire, reach the total height of 1,776 feet, around 541 meters, and also its weight. It filled its deliberate reference to the year when the United States Declaration of Independence was signed, and the building was opened on November 3rd of 2014. The One World Observatory opened on May the 29th of 2015. Anyway, on March the 26th of 2009, the Port of Authority of New York and New Jersey confirmed that the building will be officially known by its legal name of One World Trade Center rather than its colloquial name of Freedom Tower. The building has 94 stories, and with the top floor number 104 floor is the quantity, the total amount of floors this building has. The new World Trade Center complex will eventually include the high-rise office building built along Greenwich Street, as well as a National September 11 Memorial and Museum located just south of the World Trade Center, where the original Twin Tower stood. And the construction of the new building is part of the effort to memorialize and rebuild following the destruction of the original World Trade Center complex. After a good intro, I have to tell you guys that you have to be aware. I'm gonna start teaching you guys how to make money online through TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and also YouTube. Everything is gonna be on the description. Everything is gonna be for free, just to help out on 2023 to have very good financial freedom. And you can be here at New York City at World Observatory, making a video with friends and also other people up here. And you can see that our financial freedom help you to always stay on the spot, always stay awake. And let me tell you guys, if you have a decision, if you take a decision to be somebody in life, start right away. This type of products teach you how to make money online, more than $1,000 daily, maybe more. Even, let me tell you, the only way that you can be out of the box is thinking out of the box. Out of the box means you have to be out of the system. If the system like puts you every time, every day to do normal things, you will gonna be a normal person. But if you take a decision and teach others how to be successful, you're gonna be successful. That's the reason why I take the decision a lot of time ago, because easy things becomes very good, very good companies, let me tell you. So if you take a decision to be rich, don't get afraid to be rich. Just learn how to be rich. If you don't have more than 50,000, save it in a bank account. It's because you don't know how to do it. Let me tell you, with this type of products, you're gonna start for free everything that you need. Everything that you need, how to be vital, how to launch a product. If you wanna be on Instagram, on TikTok selling, you're gonna have the opportunity to do so. If you don't have the knowledge, if you don't have the opportunity to start, that's the reason why you have to start over right away, follow your dreams, and be at the spot that you wanna be at. So let me tell you, this type of product teach you how to be vital, how to launch a product, how to sell products online. There's no other way to be rich if you don't make money online, because you don't have the possibility to reach the quantity of people with one click. So there's a reason why you have to be at the same spot like others. Look, Amazon sells a lot of products daily. You don't have to be like Amazon, but at least take a piece of the cake. Take a 1% of the cake. If you're gonna be okay, you're gonna be okay. Traffic people from other sources to your website. That's the reason why I'm telling you how to launch your website as well, with an autoresponder to catch people's email and send information daily to their email account. Maybe if you obtain the telephone number, you can send text messages with your product and sell more. Every company wants new client. Every seller wants new client. That's the reason why these people are here, because they are consuming the product they are offering right now. That's the reason why everyone wants to join over here. Everyone is buying several things over there, because wants to join the products that they are offering. That's the reason why you have to learn how to launch products, because there are several people looking the products that you guys are selling right now outside, but you have to be on the spot and the correct spot and know how to do that kind of things. So if you have the opportunity to learn how to do things, you're gonna be okay. And also, I know everybody gets struggle to sell online, because are thinking, to whom I will gonna sell, to whom I will gonna send information about my product, to whom I will gonna make offering online every day or daily. Guess what? I will gonna give you more than 200 leads daily to be able to sell their products every time that you need. If you have a new offer, you have your clients over there. You don't have to be like looking for clients. The clients are looking for you. Imagine if you have an offer that lose weight. Let me tell you, one of the highest niche in internet, Google searching, every kind of platform that you mention is how to lose weight, how to be healthy, how to get wealth, and also how to make money online. So remember, I'm mentioning one of the 3 pinnacles of how to make money online. If money is gonna be health or how to lose weight. If you select how to lose weight, there are several offerings, several products, several ways to do so. So you have to learn how to promote those kind of offers to make money daily and help others to lose weight online. So that's an idea that you have to focus on to help others make money online from home. Okay, so stay tuned. We're gonna continue watching this place. Okay.